Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I believe you all are doing great. As you can see, we have a beautiful St. Patrick's Day special leaf behind me, and today I'm gonna show you how to prepare this beautiful burlap St. Patrick's Day special project, which is made out of two different kind of colors. So let's go ahead and start it. Alright, so things which we have needed for this leaf project. Your reef frame I have picked from Dollar Tree store. Then I have two different colors of burlaps. One is darker, one is lighter. You can pick whatever you have in your hand. I had already, in my craft store, so I picked that one. And then you need some pipe cleaner. You can use any color because it's gonna hide on the back. I also have very pretty ribbon, and I will see how I can use this on my reef as well. And then I have this St. Patty Day decorative piece from Dollar Tree store as well. So I'm gonna see how I'm gonna put that also on my reef. So let's go ahead and start it. So the first thing which we're gonna do, just cut out the tag. And I'm gonna try to mix and match two colors together. So see that here they have two colors mix and match. Here they have a dark and light working together. So I want to keep it the same way, dark and light work together. Okay, so I'm gonna work both of my burlaps together. Simply I just take the beginning parts and folded them and tuck on each other. And then I have my pipe cleaner. And then we're gonna start through from inside out. Simply gonna tie it so that don't move much. And don't worry about this color because it's gonna hide on the back, so you're not gonna see much. Okay, and I'm gonna leave this tail because at the end we need this one. So, all right, after tie them together from inside, then we're just gonna slowly taking it. Remember, we just had to tie them together, but we're gonna pushing them up separately so we can have both colors. That's our main. And you can see we made our first two beautiful loops, and just hold on to this one. After giving a good twist, now back to same method from Okay, and also the lighter one. Working both of them together is more easier than doing one by one, because you are moving your burlap from same space twice, so why not move only one time, you know? And if you're interested, you can use only one color, you know. I had 2 different colors, so I said I will go with that. And as you can see how beautifully they are coming together. And again, we're gonna give a nice twist together to both burlaps and keep repeating this method. And we just have completed our first section. We have 5 more sections to go, so total we are working on 6 sections. I'm gonna keep repeating the same method. As you can see, our wreath is beautifully done, but now I'm gonna add some embellishments on that. Guess I just gonna ended up using this welcome sign, and I will keep this one simply just tagging. And then I want a bow here, right bottom of welcome sign, and then we will see how it's look. I'm sure you have enjoyed watching our today project. If you really do, please give this video thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel Cyrus Creations, and God bless you all. Have a fabulous day. Bye bye.